Folks, we want to say welcome back and 2 minute power outage here from our devices, but again we want to make sure that we provide you all of the happiness here with this F-moving equipment, folks. So this is Lofa County flat bed or low beds here, folks. This flat bed has a truck head. This flat bed has a truck head. This is Lofa County, folks. Welcome back. I'd like to thanks to all of you for staying connected with us. 2 minute power outage here from our devices. Again, the rain has been giving a little bit hard time, but howbeit we're back again to show you the final glance of this F-moving equipment, for which 15 pieces of them have been 15 pieces of them have arrived here. So this is Grand County. Remember, like I said, there are wheel loaders here. So this is a wheel loader here, and this is used for leveling the gravel or dirt, whatever you may term it. This is for Grand County, this particular yellow machine, and this low bed here or flat bed here. This is for let me get the county code right. This is for Lofa County. Yes, this is for Lofa County, folks. Welcome back again. For those of you who continue to stay connected to us, we appreciate you so much for your patience. Thanks to all of you. So these trucks, they are customized by the government service agency and marked also with its number. You can see there the Ministry of Public Works, and with the different numbers being attached to it. So this is a private truck, right? This particular truck was rented from the Liberia Trucker Union to attach the particular flat base to it. So this is a flat base that have been attached to this private truck, right? So this is not part of the yellow machines or the F-moving equipment that came along with these 15, the 285. So this particular truck head here is now part of the 285. This was rented. Only this flat bed was connected to it to make sure that these yellow machines are transported here at the military barracks here in Camp Anywhere. This is for Riverside County, folks. These are brand new machines. There we go with the tires. You will see them. This is not artificial intelligence video, whatever. This is real. This is real. 15 pieces of this F-moving equipment has just arrived, and of course we have an outstanding 128 pieces of them will be transported in a few weeks to come. So this is for Riverside County. People of Riverside County will be benefiting 19 set of this equipment. Riverside County will be benefiting 19 set of this equipment. This is a flat bed that will be taking these trucks to the various counties. These are brand new ones. This particular truck head here was rented, and there you go with it. Another motor grader here. This is a motor grader, folks. Yes, I'm correct. This is a motor grader here, and this is strictly for the people of Grand County. Grand County, yeah, is your brand new machines. I want to believe that you will be receiving 2 sets of these machines. Yes, I want to believe that Grand will be receiving 2 sets of these machines, which will be 38 pieces. But again, each county will be benefiting 19 set of them. So this particular flatbed you see in here on this truck that's connected to the truck that is carrying these yellow machines, this was rented from the Trucker Union of Liberia by this Special Presidential Committee on Yellow Machine. So this particular flatbed is now part of the 285 air moving equipment. They was rented to transport this machine. So folks from Grand County, this is a machine. These machines will be used to plow your roads from farm. These machines will be used, you know, to pave your roads in all of the communities and towns you just named them. So Grand County will be benefiting 19 sets or perhaps 38 fleets of these yellow machines. These are the drivers who brought this truck here, folks. This is another yellow machine here. This is a wheel loaders or wheel rollers, you may term it to be. This is for Nima County. Basically, this particular lobby or flatbed has been rented to as well from the National Trucker Union to transport this particular earth moving equipment. So this is from Nima County. Nima County, I can safely say, will be receiving 2 sets of these earth moving equipment. These are brand new yellow machines. These are brand new yellow machines. 15 of them are being transported from the free port of Monrovia here to the Camp Sandy Web military barracks in Carisburg. Folks, whatsoever you're watching from, we'd like to welcome you. My name is Christopher Bestman, and of course we're still here to provide you visual evidence of what is currently happening here. This is for Monrovia County. Monrovia County, this is your machine. This is one of your machines. Monrovia County will be receiving a set of these yellow machines, and of course distribution process will happen in the soonest possible time. This is for Monrovia County, a brand new wheel loaders that will be used to level the gravel, to plow all of the feeders road in all of the 17 electoral district here in Monrovia County. Roads will be plowed in district number 1, roads will be plowed in district number 2, what are alpha pavement, what are wretched pavement. Your roads gonna be plowed throughout Monrovia County, ranging from district number 1 to district number 17. Monrovia County will be a beneficiary for this yellow machine, and of course this particular flat bay or lobby was rented from the National Trucker Union of Liberia from the Freeport of Monrovia. This is not part of the 285 air moving equipment. Folks, 22 million United States dollars infrastructure project by the government of Liberia is a huge boost, and of course the government, to His Excellency Joseph Boyka and his able Vice President Jeremiah Kwan, along with the Minister of State for Presidential Affairs, particularly the Minister for State with our portfolio Mamaka ability, make sure that these machines are procured. Lofa County, this is one of your machines, and of course you will be receiving 2 sets of these air moving equipment, which is equivalent to 38 pieces. This is one of your machines, and of course this is wheel rollers. These wheel loaders will be used to level your gravel and just connects all of your farms to Market Road, particularly heading straight to Monrovia City. So Lofa County in the soonest possible time will not be facing challenges of road. Deployable roads will now be seen paved to our Lofa County. Remember, there's an ongoing project there by the Paveford Company where 85-kilometer roads were breaking ground for by the government of Liberia to ensure that there's a smooth road connectivity in that part of Lofa County. The president also launched a major digital village in Lofa County, so the people of Lofa County will continue to benefit immensely from this particular government. Welcome back if you're just joining us. My name is Christopher Bestman. Of course, we're still here to make sure that we give you a visual evidence of what happened in here today. Been a whole working day for us, making sure that these machines are transported straightly to the Camp Sandy Web military barrack, to a live video for those of you who other people have been telling you that there's no yellow machine. This yellow machine will not be in country. But there we go with Grand Bassa County. The people of Grand Bassa County, here's your machine. This is a real rollers, and of course you will be benefiting from the government of Liberia 22 million project. This is very essential. These are your taxes you've been paying, whether indirect or direct taxes you've been paying. You will be benefiting from the government of Liberia 22 million United States dollars infrastructure initiative, for which this particular yellow machine or earth moving equipment was procured for by the president. This is your machine, Grand Bassa County, very beautiful, brand new. There's no rust on them. This is brand new, and of course this particular lobby you see here was rented by the president's committee, special presidential committee on yellow machines to transport these trucks. So Grand Bassa County, there we go. And of course the next yellow machine here next yellow machine here is for the people of Maryland County. Maryland County will be benefiting from this air moving equipment, and of course I've been told that Maryland County will be receiving 19 sets of this air moving equipment. So Maryland County, this is your wheel loaders. This will help plow every road in various communities, in various towns, in various villages. Maryland County, this is for you. And of course, as part of the government development agenda, $22 million infrastructure project. And of course, this is a huge boost for Liberia, creating more jobs. So don't forget, continue to send in your application, because operators will be accepted to move this machine. This is Nima County. Nima County has its own flat base. This is a truck, one of these truck, part of the 285 air moving equipment. As you can see, fully customized with GSA, that's a government service agency, and the Ministry of Public Works, customized with the flag of Nima County and the logo of the Ministry of Public Works, folks. Nima County, this is your brand new trucks, both fly base, and of course you have another yellow machine here, folks. This is for Nima County. This one was not rented because it is fully customized with the flair of Nima County. This is for Gbapolu County. Gbapolu County, remember residents there, they are also celebrating the newer construction bridge there in Gbapolu County, for which we're also going to be giving you live update on the bridge constructed there in Gbapolu County. Howbeit, the people of Gbapolu County are going to be benefiting from the government of Liberia, $22 million United States dollars road infrastructure project, and of course, as part of the government developmental agenda, Gbapolu County will be benefiting 19 sets of this air moving equipment from Gbapolu County to Bopolu City to all of the towns and villages. Our people in Gbapolu County will be benefiting from all of these air moving equipment, 19 sets each. And of course, this is Gbapolu County again with its flag babe. So Gbapolu County has their own flag babe, folks. This one was not rented, as you can see, fully customized with Liberia flag, Gbapolu County flag, sorry. And of course, the logo of the Ministry of Public Works. There we go with it. There's a Highway truck, folks. Highway truck, fully customized. And of course, Gbapolu County, there you saw Gbapolu County. Gbapolu County wheel loaders and wheel rollers, sorry. Gbapolu County, yeah, flatbed trucks. So Gbapolu County, this flatbed will be used to transport your yellow machines for road operations. Don't forget to continue to say in your application, always take in consideration that you need to apply from your county of origin. Folks, this is for Grand Crew County. Our people in the southeastern region, the government also prioritizes you. Grand Crew County, this is a wheel rollers. Grand Crew County will be benefiting 19 sets of this air moving equipment, folks. Grand Crew County, this is a road wheelers. There we go with Grand Cape Mount County. The people in Grand Cape Mount County, Robertsport City, will be benefiting. This is a truck, flatbed truck, and of course, Grand Cape Mount County will have our own flatbed trucks. There we go with another machines, yellow machines be on it. This is customized with the flag of Grand Cape Mount County. All of the feeder roads, the town and market road connecting to Grand Creek, that's Grand Cape Mount County. Roads, feeder roads that are connecting Grand Cape Mount to its capital city in Monrovia City. This road will be pliable, paved, whether alpha pavement or ratchet pavement. This road will be paved by the use of this air moving equipment. There we go, Mangibi County. The people of Kakata will be benefiting 19 sets of this air moving equipment. Kakata City, this is your wheel rollers. Very brand new wheel rollers. There we call it Kakata City. This is your wheel rollers. Brand new wheel rollers for our people of Kakata City, Mangibi County. The roads in Mangibi County, the roads in Smith Notice, that's Unification Town. The roads in Tower Hill, District Hill, the roads in Gibi District, the roads in Joblos Town in Mangibi County will see being paved, and of course, whether alpha pavement or ratchet pavement, the government is saying that they're gonna maintain our road connectivity, be one of the priorities before 2029. This is not just about the next election, folks. This is about the next generation. In the words of the president, he says, these yellow machines will not give you food, but definitely these machines will provide food for your living through road connectivity. Grand Cape Mount County, there we go with Grand Cape Mount County. You saw Grand Cape Mount County with one wheelers and another flatbed. Grand Cape Mount County, yeah, again has been represented here on this flatbed, with Grand Cape Mount County having another wheel rollers here. This is a great one. And let's see this last truck here, folks. This particular truck here, flatbed truck, was rented from the Liberia National Trucker Union. They are the Freeport of Monrovia with this motor graders. Yes, I want to believe this is motor graders. Yes, and of course, our good people in Bon County, Banga City, will be benefiting from this particular project. Banga City, Bon County, our people in Salala, our people in Palala, our people in Zoweta road will be pliable, and of course they will be paved. All of their farms, roads will be paved leading to Banga City. So, folks, 15 fleets of air moving equipment, another batch as part of the 285 air moving equipment have arrived following a total of 147 that is already being packed here, with an outstanding 128 that is currently processing for transportation in a few weeks to come. So we can safely say to you that according to the folks of the special presidential committee, that out of the 285 air moving equipment, they are now in country. They are now in country following distribution process that will kick off in the soonest possible time. The first batch of yellow machine came in February 27 of this year, 2026, bringing in the first consignment of 137 fleets of moving equipment, moving equipment, with a Singapore vessel that berthed at the Freeport of Monrovia. The second batch arriving with 10 trucks, 10 water trucks, and a dump truck. Of course, that we also showcase to you that particular truck leaving somewhere around Painesville. The Sando truck head office is somewhere around Painesville there. And of course, we brought you a live video of that. You saw that transportation aspect of it. And currently, we're also bringing to you live 15 fleets of these moving equipments here in the Camp Anywhere military byway. All of these machines will be kept. 128 moving equipment, they are currently, on the standby for transportation, folks. So, fellow Liberians, this is not just about bluff. This is not about politics, but the government's continuing to demonstrate its efforts as it relates to road connectivity. Remember, there are a lot of road projects ongoing across the city, and one of the big news for our county engineer, remember, the Ministry of Finance and Development Planning, in a collaboration with the Ministry of Public Works, have agreed to increase the salary of county engineers from $250 up to $1,000. This is a great plus in salary increment, and of course, this is something that's very commendable to the work of the Ministry of Finance and Development Planning and the able Minister Roland Lafayette Guinea, who is doing extremely well in ensuring that the President's mandate is executed before 2029. Folks, this is a new day for Liberia, and of course, the President of the Republic of Liberia continues to demonstrate his stronger leadership in terms of road connectivity, agriculture, job creation, you name the rest. So, let me take you around to where your machines are kept. These are your taxes you've been paying to the government of Liberia. Fellow Liberians, whenever you've been paying taxes on your property taxes, different taxes, whether you've been paying direct tax or indirect tax. This is where your money has been coming. This is the Camp Anywhere military barracks, where all out of the 285 moving equipment will be kept. These machines are being parked by county. These machines are being parked by county. These machines are being parked by county, folks. These machines are being parked by county. This is Lofa County again with a water truck. Lofa County. This is Grand Crew County, folks. Grand Crew County will be benefiting from this 285 moving equipment. This is Nima County water truck. Nima County will be benefiting 2 sets of these moving equipment, which will be equivalent to 38 pieces. This is Babulu County. The people of Babulu County will be celebrating this upon its arrival. This is Sando County. The people of Greenville City will be celebrating this. This is River G County. The people of Fishtown City will be celebrating this in the southeastern part of Liberia. This is Riverside County. Our people that are in Sestos will be celebrating this. This is Bombay County. Our people there in Tatmanbra will be celebrating Bombay County. 19 set of this moving equipment. This is Grand Cape County. Our people there in Robertsport will be celebrating this as well. This is Monrovia County. Our people there in Bensonville, people there in other parts of Monrovia County here, people here in Carisburg, Monrovia County will be benefiting this. Remember, Bensonville too. All of the roads in Bensonville, which happen to be the capital city of Monrovia County, will be pliable. This is Grand Bassa County. Our folks there in Buchanan City will be celebrating probably 2 sets of this yellow machine. Yes, 2 sets of the yellow machines. Grand Bassa County might, be benefited to receive 2 sets of this yellow machine, which comprises of 38 pieces. But howbeit, we're going to be looking forward to the distribution process. This is Bone County. Specifically, we're showing you water trucks. This is Bone County. Bone County will be a direct beneficiary of these 285 moving equipments. And of course, I believe that our people in Banga City, will be very, very much excited seeing their own machines entering their county. This is Monrovia County. The folks in Monrovia County will be excited. This is your water truck, very customized, well customized with your county flag on it. This is Bond County. The folks there in Banga City will be excited. Maryland County, I know our people in the southeastern region, specifically Harper City, will also be in a very jubilant mood to receive their set of yellow machine. Grand Jita County, our people there in Swaju City will be happy upon receiving the fleece of yellow machine. Grand Jita County, this is a water truck, and of course, let's see whether we can show you another batch of this air moving equipment. This is Bond County, folks. There are a lot of governments doing taxes. They are not using it anyhow, but the government is ensuring that your taxes has been used for its intended purpose. Grand County again will be a direct beneficiaries of this air moving equipment. Monrovia County, the people in Balanceville, the people in Johnsonville, the people in Newtown, the people in Bensonville, whatever, yeah, in Monrovia County, you'll be a direct beneficiary. This is a Sano truck. This is Monrovia County, folks. Nima County, Popolu County, Grand Bassa County, more and more. This is Sino County and other trucks here, folks. Folks, I mean, it's actually an exciting moment to see Liberians or Liberia government, focusing on rural connectivity. For the past years, Liberians have been strangulated when it comes to, prices, the increase of commodity, the increase of prices in different commodities. Liberians have been suffering because of deployable road. Grand Jita County, this is one of your machines. River T County, this is your Fly Bay. River T County, the people of Fishtown City. If you are there in Calocan, Batican, Gallocan, yes, River T County is known that to have all of the can. I've been to River T County before and I just love the can. So if you are there in Batican, Calocan, Batican, what kind of can? If Christopher get can here, you're going to be receiving 19 sets of this air moving equipment. These are bulldozers, folks. There we go. These are bulldozers. And of course, the government of Liberia makes sure to procure this machine with $22 million United dollars. Initially, they were estimated around 40 million. Based on negotiations, the government decided to negotiate on 22 million, saving 20 million of its expenses. Remember, having this moving equipment will reduce government expenses. This air moving equipment will help reduce the expenses of government, where Liberians themselves will be operating on these machines to plow road, to pave road, and you just name the rest. So you can apply it from your county of origin and just keep your finger crossed that you're going to be selected. This will be Liberian owned. I want to say that for a fact. This will be Liberian owned. Liberian owned. So all you need to do is apply it if you are a yellow machine operator. Just a few days ago, the Falaf Zoe Vocational School just graduated over 1,000 students. And of course, there are students who also, learn technical skills in moving these heavy moving equipment or yellow machine or trucks, whatever you may term it. This will be a direct opportunity for them. But folks, I cannot take you all around here because all of the counties here, they are well represented, unless you want me to go more closer. If you didn't hear a county, you can tell me. I can, make sure that I identify a county. But this is it. This is the Camp Anywhere Military Barracks, folks. My name is Christopher Bestman. This will be our final live for today here as it relates to this transportation process. One county, this is a flag. This is a flag. This is a flag. This place is very spacious, folks. This is very spacious, very huge. This is a military barracks, so there will be no inventory here of criminal. No. Nobody gonna invade this particular environment because this place is highly secure and protected by men and women of the armed forces of Liberia. Liberians, you need to take advantage of this opportunity, especially applying to operate on this air moving equipment. This is a great help. If you don't know the way, I ask people, and of course they're going to show you the way. I ask people who are connected to the Ministry of Public Works, are people who are in government, just in case you want to apply. But make sure to apply from your county of origin so that it will be easy for you to be selected. If you choose to apply for Monrovia, it's up to you. But this opportunity will be strictly for Liberia. Remember the Vice President, Jeremiah continue to emphasize on liberalization policy, wherein Liberians needs to be head of their own businesses. We don't want to see foreigners taking over Liberian owned businesses. Businesses are supposed to be spearheaded by Liberians. So Liberians, this is our own. We need to engage in these processes as part of the government of Liberia job creation. Once you are a skilled person and you are an operator, you can operate a yellow machine of drive this heavy duty truck. This is incumbent upon you to take on the challenge. This is a challenge to every young man and woman out there. Once you feel capable and feel like you can do this. This is not about partiality. Remember, the government is also recruiting a mechanic. If you're a heavy duty mechanic, you can also apply. This is a great one. A little bit change of weather here in Carisburg City, folks. And of course, it has been a long day here in Monrovia County with the team headed by the Deputy Director General for New Media and Rebranding. Folks, these are your F-moving equipment, fellow Liberians. These are your F-moving equipment, fellow Liberians. President Joseph Human Boyka, who other people call him developmental Asibo, other people call him road giants, other people have even given him a name called Barrow Medicine. Other people have saying that he's the real rescuer, has done it again by procuring 285 fleets of yellow machine. And of course, this is commendable. This is what we love to see development, especially paying taxes with your hard-earned money. So when LRA is coming to your business area to pay tax, don't ask them where our money going. This is where your money have been coming. And other governmental projects. The Ministry of Agriculture has a retrap project for local farmers. That is ongoing. The Civil Service Agency is doing extremely well to see how Liberians will not suffer from, salary discrepancy. We'll always get involved into the sector and do the needful. Ministry of Finance is there to allocate funding to different government ministry and agencies if necessary for the better improvement of Liberia. The Ministry of Youth and Sport recently have recruited 1,100 cadets, for which these young people will be dispatched in different government entities for the next 6 months, and of course they will be paid. More and more things are happening. The National Fishery and Aquaculture is doing well. The Liberia Water and Sewer is doing well. The Freeport of Monrovia, headed by Sekou Douglas, is doing well. Mr. Amos Tuer at the LPRC is doing well. And you just name the rest. The government is doing extremely well. This is not about being biased or sentimental. This is just about the reality that President Joseph Human Boyka is applying all frantic effort to ensure that all of his needs and wants will be met before the 2029 general and presidential election. My name is Christopher Bestman, folks, and I'm here with D-Flow Flomo Yabo II, the Deputy Director General for New Media and Rebranding, along with my colleague Masiami Kone. Together, we are to provide you a highlight and give you an in-depth analysis of this special presidential committee on this yellow machine. So let me take you to alright, so folks, we're about to end the live. Thanks so much for watching. We've given you a clear vision evidence of what's been happening. My name is Christopher Bestman, and I appreciate you guys for staying with us. Thank you so much. Remember, we still got outstanding 128 fleets of air moving equipment to be transported very soon from the Freeport of Monrovia. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye. We do join you in our next subsequent broadcast.